It's a 2022 Chevy Trailblazer RS. I do want to apologize in advance for the wind noise. It is pretty windy out today. This one's finished off in crimson red metallic. And one quick way to tell that's an RS is the exhaust bevels here. I personally love the RS Trailblazer. That's the only Trailblazer I would get. And usually they have the bigger engines. They have the 1.3 liter turbo 3-cylinder. These make just over 130 horsepower-ish. As you can tell, they're a little bit smaller, just a little bit smaller than the Chevy Trax. Go ahead and do a cold start. So as you can see, it's very quiet. A little too quiet for my liking, but it's a 3-cylinder. And as you can see, the rear tail lights look very nice with that cool, distinctive LED. You also have the distinctive front headlights, daytime running lights. Down there, and your blinkers will be up there. And with the RS package, you get this nice bronze anodized look for the grille insert. And stepping inside, you're greeted with a very nice, actually a really nice cockpit. You do have a heated steering wheel, button easy to locate right there. You do have heated seats. You have all sorts of, and you can change the temperature. This is the nicest spec Trailblazer you can get, if I remember correctly. So you have all sorts of features like this very sporty steering wheel, almost a flat bottom. And this black metallic type of plastic down here. And then you have red stitching throughout, as well as partial leather and partial cloth seats. And then you have RS badging there. You got the red up over there. And you also have the piano black metallic over there, the red accents there. You have a very nice touch screen. You can go to home, go to your music, as well as your phone, compass. Then you can change your fan speed. And we'll go ahead and turn on the fog lights, as well as the headlights. And we will take a look at the exterior. And we'll turn on the hazards as well. You also have these sport bolsters, which I forgot to mention. Very nice leather here. Smooth power steering. No paddle shifters, however, it's probably won't be used very much in something like this. Bose stereo. Here's a quick look at the seat. No RS badging. I think they should have. They did add that little tag right there. I do think they should have added the RS badging to the seat a little bit more. There it is. So this does have full LED headlights. I'll go ahead and show the brights real quick. So as you can see, the brights, I stand corrected, the brights are not LED, they are halogen. However, the low beam lights, as well as all of the other lights except for the blinkers, are LED. Very solid sounding door. Stepping back inside, we are getting low on gas, very low, actually. Go ahead and do a quick rev once it's almost warmed up. So as you can see there, 1.3 liter turbo, 3-cylinder. This is mated to a CVT, so continuously variable transmission. And I don't believe this has simulated gears either. It is a pretty heavy hood, not gonna lie. As you can see, you got those little tiny fog lights down there. Pretty low ground clearance. And you do have these quite nice looking 18-inch wheels offered only on the RS, as far as I know. You get the blacked out Trailblazer badging there, and then the red RS badging, and the black bow ties. And to open the rear hatch, it is not automatic, so you do have to, there's a little button right down there. And that part does not open, it's only, oh, and we are getting a little bit of water in here, but that's okay. So as you can see, very small, not much room, but if you're in the market for one of these, you're not gonna be wanting much room anyways. Temporary spare, as well as a tire changing kit. Got a pretty soft suspension. Pretty much move the whole entire. As you can see up here, I guess this isn't the most spec'd out version, I don't believe, because I believe that right there would be a button to close the hatch automatically. So you have very nice body lines. Stepping into the rear, it's tight, as you'd expect. Does not have full LED, that's okay. As you can see, I found this pretty neat. I just saw this. It's kind of cut into the C-pillar there on the door, which is kind of neat. Window switches there. It is a dual mode, one touch down. And you can fold these rear headrests back like any other headrests. Again, this partial leather feels pretty good. You do have rear cup holders. And then again, you can move that headrest up or down, however you want it. And a tiny little center console, which is just injection molded plastic, but one of the biggest reasons why people are going to get this is because you can get almost 40 miles per gallon on the highway and 29 in the city. And this is the bigger engine, so we'll do a warm start. The shifters, very nice.
I just loved it. You know, it was so...
Overall, it's a very nice vehicle. Cute little horn. Overall, a very nice vehicle, and if you're looking for a compact SUV crossover, this is the one to get. Thank you so much. Voice Motors of Kalkaska, Michigan.